This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should start by signing into your Microsoft account and enabling multi-factor authentication immediately. Once signed in, install Microsoft 365 apps or use Office. COM if you prefer no install. Make sure OneDrive is set to the folder you want and turn on auto-save so you never lose work. If you need a license, choose the personal, family, or business plan and apply it now. This unlocks desktop apps, extra storage, and collaboration features you will use next. Now create your first document, spreadsheet, or presentation using a built-in template to save time. Once done, move files into a clear OneDrive folder structure and add tags or consistent names so you can find them later. Make sure to share via link with edit or view permissions as needed, and invite collaborators by email. Use comments, mentions, and real-time co-authoring to keep work flowing. If someone loses changes, check version history to restore a prior copy. Finish by exporting or downloading the file formats you need, PDF for distribution or native files for future edits, and publish or attach in Outlook or Teams. Once done, integrate documents with SharePoint or Teams channels to keep collaboration centralized. Make sure permissions are appropriate before sending final copies. If something goes wrong, first check OneDrive sync status, available storage, and that you are signed into the correct account. Re-upload or restore from version history if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.